Hello everyone. I want to quickly show you my productivity applying automation template in Excel. With this template, you only need to input the basic information like start date, finish date, quantity plan, type of curve, manhours plan, and type of date. Once you have an information from your team, or maybe you have the data, you just simply fill this yellow column, yellow box here, and this quantity plan in daily, weekly, and monthly will be automatically updated, as well as for the curve for each weekly, for the quantity, for the net hours, and also for the monthly for quantity and net hours. So let's make an example. So we just delete this first. We have nothing here. Even for the curve, we have nothing. And we undo, and this will be automatically updated. And also we make test for the type of curve here. So that looks to done here, and we try to see how it works. So we check for the font. So this is will be updated automatically for the curve as well as for the quantity plan in daily, weekly, and monthly. And then if we change to linear, also it will be changed. And then also it will be depend on the list of holiday. So you may update this list of holiday based on your calendar project. And then the dashboard also it will be updated automatically. So you just fill this yellow box in this area in, and also for the actual for the quantity and man hours, and all of this data will be updated automatically. Now trying to fill the actual, so just fill this based on the quantity plan, make it set, or maybe slightly different. So it's 15, 14, 17, and yes, this data is updated automatically. See, and then just copy paste here. Yes, all of data will be automatically updated. Okay, and that's what we have. Cut off day if in your set is in Friday, so it will also will be changed for the weekly and also for the monthly. Okay, and please see the instruction sheet here, and it has all of the guideline for you to use this template. And also, I will show you if we have a completed data for the actual. So if we see here in the dashboard, if we change this data, then so all of information here will be updated automatically. And also for status also it will be changed according to actual against the client as per cutoff. And yeah, it is made for planning engineers, project control, construction engineer, and project managers maybe, and anyone who wants to prepare productivity tracking system. And this is no macros, no VBA, everything is firmware driven. If you're interested, just click a link on the description. See you and thank you.